Hey guys, I'm Jayden here, and I'm here with another Clutch Truck video. And if you weren't here last time, we were doing the ancient world. Okay, so first level, second level, wait no. First episode, second episode, third episode, fourth episode, fifth episode, and sixth episode. And we were actually going to do level 2. And we'll try finish it, but we might not finish it. It's a maybe. Okay, so I'm just gonna start the thing. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe and like, because liking is just liking, and it's a likable thing. Yeah. So I'm just gonna play the world. Hopefully there's no lag, and it seems to be lag. There's always lag every time I reopen the game and start a level. That's just what happens, and it's highly annoying. Okay. Like the ancient world last episode, it was really, like, it had nothing different about it. Well, it's like, the only different thing about the ancient world is it's really long. And, like, these levels are massive. But I think I'm actually not sure what's gonna be in it. Oh yeah, I made it. Oh, come on! Okay. Oh yeah, I have slow motion. I'm so dumb. Ha. Slow motion. Slow motion is OP, to be honest. Oh no, what? That truck literally just went to the left the second I tried to go on top of it. And I should actually use slow mode when that happened. Well, then I wouldn't have died. Oh yes, slow-mo is the best. What? Whoa. Okay, I've got to literally go fast. I don't need slow. Okay, I need slow-mo. No, okay. This is really highly annoying. Whoa. Come on. I can do it. Yes. Oh! What was that? How did I do that? And level 2 completed. Now up to level 3. And I've got 126 points. 1,000 points. That is a lot. Maybe next level I'm going. Yeah, when we're on level 4, I'm gonna like get an achievement and test it out. Whoa. Come on! No! I had no idea what was going on, so I just, Actually, I'm gonna do a slow backflip. Oh, yeah, backflip's not the best idea. What the? How do I do that? Oh my gosh. Okay. Go on. Oh, okay. I know what to do now. I just gotta go right, and then I'll be fine. Yeah. What? No, I was so close. Okay, I've literally gotta jump off this truck at the right time, and that might have done it. Yep. And I did it. I completed level 3. Okay, now I'm going to go to main menu, and I'm gonna go abilities. Okay. Gravity. Ooh, 40. Should I do it? I'm doing it. Okay. Now if I play campaign, yeah. Okay. Oh, whoa, that's weird. That's actually really weird. Wait, if I... Oh, I'm like Spider-Man. Oh, well, that was bad. I'm Spider-Man. I actually don't really... Oh, I don't have double jump. Oh, that's annoying. Oh, I got hit by a truck. Oh, I don't have double jump. That is so hard. Okay. I'm like so used to double jump. No. No, 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 I'm not doing that. That was a total waste of points. That was so hard. And so confusing. Okay. Let's actually see if we can actually go past the first bit. See, double jumps are way better. So when you're playing this, I recommend you not get grappling hook. It just wastes your points. Ah! No! I just died. I died and it hurt. Whoa. I nearly got hit by a truck. And now here and oh my gosh. Yeah. No! Why did I not grab onto the edge of that? Okay. This is cool. And then I just drop. Oh yeah. Just look behind us and see what just happened. Okay. Next level. Level 6 out of 5. Okay, there's like trucks literally flying out from nowhere, and it's making a big pile that I somehow jumped. Oh, well, never mind. I should have finished my sentence when I actually did it. I was gonna say I made it, but no, I just died. And how? Okay, I can do this. Yes. Oh no, one truck. And I did it. Cool. I kind of wish I saw that explosion, but okay. Who is winning? Who is winning? And it is. 60. What about just friends? Yeah, I did it. I beat Logan. Okay, next level. What is that? You guys see that? What? Whoa, this level's cool. What? This level's interesting. See, now we have to go down here. And there's another one of those weird things. Oh no. No. That is so cool. I love that level. Okay. Okay. Nope. 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 No. 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 Oh. I died. Oh! Oh, there's a truck above me. Okay. So I just go whoop. And I did it. Cool. Oh my gosh. No. No. Come on, I can hit that truck. Oh, no, so close. Oh, that was so annoying. And pretty cool at the same time. Oh, no. There's no way I would have done that. Oh, wait, there's still a chance. No, never mind. Once again, I should finish my sentence before I should say my sentence before. No, I should say my sentence after, not before. I keep on saying before. Oh no. Another level! How low does this go? And I died. Like, what? Oh, this is so cool. Wait, what if I just skip? Oh, I think I can do something. I think I can do something. Yeah, and now I use double jump. Look at all the points. I forgot my. What happened? Oh my gosh, that was so cool. Oh, no, okay, that didn't work. Okay, guys, I've got to do this. I've got to keep my double jump. Okay. Perfect. Hey, guy, hey, can you start, please? Like, trucks, please, just thank you. No, 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 no. Oh, that was close. I'm so glad I moved then. No. No! I was so close. Oh, no. Oh, no, that's not gonna work. Maybe, but it won't. No, it didn't, yeah. Okay, no, guys. I'm trying that one more time. And hopefully it works. Oh my gosh. No! Oh, so close. Okay, I said that was my last try, and I love the bit how the trucks weren't moving. That was cool. No, I'm gonna hit the wall. Come on. Woo. Come on. And I hit the truck. Woo! Don't hit me. Please don't hit me. It's rude to smack people in the face. Come on, and yes. Oh no. Oh, what? Wait, what happened there? That was, okay, well, I beat the level, and I'm gonna leave this episode here because we have gone through, like, 6 levels, which is pretty good in an ancient level like this because the levels are pretty hard. If you like this, if you want to see more, subscribe, and to comment what level is your favorite, and if you don't know how this works, good